Hey guys, I am here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today my topic is different type of garden chair ideas. I'll give you some amazing and beautiful ideas about garden chairs. The number one is Adirona Dexter's classic and timeless. Adirona Dexters are known for their wide armrest and styling, providing excellent comfort for relaxing in the garden. Hanging egg chair create a cozy and stylish spot to unwind with a hanging egg chair. These suspended chairs offer a unique and comfortable sitting experience, perfect for enjoying a book or simply swaying gently in the breeze. Wicker rocking chair. Add a touch of rustic charm with wicker rocking chairs. Their gentle rocking motions and woven textures create a relaxed and inviting atmosphere in the garden. Folding bistro chairs, ideal for small spaces or versatile sitting option. Folding bistro chairs are lightweight and easy to store. They are often made of metal or wood, and their compact design make them a great choice for balconies or smaller garden. Hammock chairs bring a touch of tropical paradise to your garden with the hammock chairs. These hanging chairs offer a comfortable and cozy spot for your lounging and are perfect for creating a triangular retreat. Bench swing. Enhance your garden with a bench swing where you can enjoy the gentle of sway and fresh air available in various material and style. A bench swing adds a touch of nostalgia and provide a charming spot for relaxation. Paddle sitting. Get a creative and purpose wooden paddle into unique garden chairs with a little die with a little effort, you can transform pallet into comfortable sitting, adding a rustic and eco-friendly touch to your outdoor space. Butterfly chairs, chairs, they are destined for